Did you know there's one moment every single day when your heart is under more stress than you realize? It's not during exercise, not during arguments, not even when lifting something heavy. It's the moment you wake up. Between 6 and 10 in the morning, heart attacks and strokes rise sharply, especially for people over 60. And no, it's not simply because of age. It's because of how we wake up. Think about this. Your body has been still for 7 or 8 hours. Blood flow slows down, arteries tighten. Your heart beats calmly, quietly. Then, suddenly, boom, you sit up or jump out of bed. In seconds, your heart is asked to work overtime before it's ready. But here's the good news. What if I told you that you could reduce that risk without medication, without exercise equipment, and without even leaving your bed? Stay with me till the end, because the final part can genuinely change how your mornings feel. Before we continue, I want to quickly share something important. I've created a senior-friendly fall prevention guide that shows how to improve balance, reduce fall risk, and stay confident at home. The link is below if you want extra protection. Why mornings are dangerous. Story and science. Imagine your body like an old car sitting outside on a freezing winter morning. The engine is cold, the oil is thick, everything is stiff. Now imagine turning the key and slamming the gas pedal. The engine struggles, it coughs. Sometimes it breaks. That's exactly what happens inside millions of bodies every morning, especially after 60. During sleep, your body slows everything down to heal and recover. Your heart rate drops, blood pressure lowers. Circulation becomes sluggish, your blood thickens slightly. Your body stays horizontal, gravity shifts fluids downward. Your arteries barely move, your nervous system stays calm and quiet. Then suddenly you sit up fast. Your heart must push thicker blood through tight vessels while your brain, balance, and oxygen levels are still half asleep. That sudden pressure spike can cause dizziness, imbalance, mini-stroke symptoms, or worse. And here's the truth most people never hear. This isn't about getting old. It's about physics. Anyone can be vulnerable if they move too fast too soon. But what if in just 3 or 4 minutes each morning, you could gently wake your circulation, relax your arteries, and signal to your heart, take it easy. We're ready, no pills, no gym, no pressure. Just 3 simple movements you can do right under your blanket. These movements are based on techniques used in hospitals, physical therapy clinics, and cardiac rehab centers, now simplified for everyday use. Once you learn them, they might become your favorite part of the day. Aging isn't the enemy, ignoring your body is. Quick pause. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content that helps you stay strong, safe, and independent as you age. All right, let's continue. Movement 1. The morning embrace. Before you even think about standing up, there's one area that needs attention first. Your hips. Your hips are a major crossroads for blood flow, nerves, posture, and balance. During the night, your pelvis becomes a traffic jam. Blood vessels compress, lymph flow slows. Your lower back tightens. That's why so many people wake up feeling stiff, heavy, or sore. It's not arthritis. It's not just age, it's congestion. How to do the morning embrace: lie on your back in bed. Remove thick pillows so your spine stays neutral. Slowly slide your right heel toward you, bending the knee. Bring that knee toward your chest, only as far as comfortable. Place your hands behind your thigh, not on the knee. Gently hug the leg in. No bouncing, no forcing. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Breathe out through your mouth for 6 seconds. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Then slowly release and switch sides. Do 2 or 3 rounds on each leg. As you let go, you may feel warmth spreading. That's fresh, oxygen-rich blood returning. Real story David, a 79-year-old retired teacher, said his legs felt like concrete every morning. Walking to the kitchen felt exhausting. After 1 week of this movement, he told us, it felt like someone drained the cement out of my legs. No cane, no wobble. This isn't magic. It's mechanics. Why it works. Improves blood return from the legs, releases hip and lower back tension, stimulates lymph drainage, prepares muscles before standing. This step is your foundation. Movement 2, the air circuit. Here's a surprising question. What helps pump your blood but isn't your heart? Your calves. Your calf muscles act like a second heart, pushing blood upward against gravity. At night, they don't move. Blood pools in your feet. Swelling increases, circulation slows. That's why people wake up with cold toes, ankle swelling, or nighttime leg cramps. How to do the air circuit: stay lying down. Stretch your legs out. Pull your toes toward your face. Then point them away. Up, down, smooth and steady. Repeat 30 times. Feel your calves tighten. That's your second heart waking up. Optional. Lift your legs slightly and pedal slowly like a bicycle for 10-15 seconds. Then rest, that tingling feeling, that's circulation returning. Real story. Evelyn, 68, wore socks to bed for years, even in summer. After 2 weeks of this movement, she said, "For the first time in 10 years, my feet stayed warm without socks." Why it works: boosts blood return, reduces swelling, helps prevent cramps and clots, improves oxygen flow to the brain. You're not exercising. You're turning the plumbing back on. Movement 3, the ocean breath. Now comes the most powerful step. Your breath. Right before waking, your body releases cortisol, a stress hormone. In older adults, this can spike blood pressure and anxiety. There's one nerve that calms all of this, the vagus nerve. And the fastest way to activate it is slow belly breathing. How to do the ocean breath: lie on your back. One hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Feel the belly rise. Pause for 2 seconds. Exhale slowly through pursed lips for 6 to 7 seconds. Repeat 5 or 6 times. As you exhale, feel your body sink into the mattress. Your pulse slows, your arteries soften. Your heart gets the message: we're safe. Real story. Stan, 71, used to wake up anxious with high blood pressure. After 3 weeks of this breathing, his doctor said, "Your numbers haven't been this good in years." Stan smiled and said, "I just learned how to breathe." Putting it all together, you didn't learn a workout. You learned a morning system. First, you unlocked your hips. Then you activated your calves. Finally, you calmed your nervous system. Together, these 3 movements: reduce morning blood pressure spikes, protect balance and brain health, prepare your heart safely, all in 3 to 4 minutes, without leaving bed. And once you do this for a few days, it becomes automatic. Comforting, energizing. Empowering. You're not too old. You're just one small ritual away from feeling in control again. Also, follow us on Facebook for daily updates and behind-the-scenes tips to help you stay active and confident every day. Trust me, the ending matters, because this isn't about chasing youth. It's about protecting freedom, the freedom to walk confidently, to play with grandkids, to say yes to life. Tonight, place a small note by your bed. Write, 3 minutes, my body. Tomorrow morning, before your feet touch the floor, begin. And if you feel even 1% better, comment below: "I started today." Because when one person starts, others follow. We're not just aging, we're aging smarter.